Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create clean, visually appealing pie charts right inside Figma, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to take you step by step through the process of designing pie charts in Figma. Even if you've never made one before, you'll come away with a solid foundation and some handy design skills you can add to your toolbox. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to set up the base for our pie chart. At the bottom center of the Figma interface, you'll find the Shape tool. Click on that and from the dropdown select the circle. This will act as the canvas for our chart. When you hold and drag, you'll draw out a circle. Go ahead and make it whatever size works best for your design or presentation. Think of this as the pie plate that will hold all your slices, the foundation of your chart. Next up, the magic begins. If you hover over your newly created circle, you'll notice a small blue dot appear along the edge. This is actually Figma's handy way of letting you customize the circle, almost like grabbing the edge of a pizza slice. Click and drag this blue dot inwards. You'll see part of the circle disappear as you move it, leaving you with a pie-shaped wedge. How far you drag determines how big this slice will be. If you're visualizing data, you can use this to represent different proportions. For example, pull the dot halfway for a 50% section, or just a sliver for a smaller segment. Take your time here. It's always better to adjust slowly and see exactly how your slice is forming. Now, to give our pie chart that classic look, that little empty center that makes your chart look more like a donut and helps it stand out, let's head over to the Appearance section. With your shape selected, look at the right-hand panel and adjust the settings. There's a field here where you can set the inner radius or create a hole in the middle of your circle. Slide this up to create a space in the center of your pie. This not only looks professional, but it can also help to focus attention on your data points or even make room for a percentage label or icon in the middle. Alright, here comes the fun part. Let's add another slice to our pie. Duplicate your shape by selecting it and pressing Command or Control-D, or by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate. Now you'll have a copy directly on top of the original. What we want to do is adjust this new shape so it becomes a different section of the pie. Hover to one end of your new shape and you'll see that same blue dot. This time, drag it in the opposite direction from the first slice. Think of it like balancing out a pie. You're giving your chart a second flavor, so to speak. Move the dot until the new slice takes up the proportion you want. You can repeat this method to add even more segments, each representing a different category or value. Of course, a pie chart wouldn't be complete without some color, right? So select each shape and choose a color that corresponds to your data categories. Make sure to choose distinct, contrasting colors so your slices stand out and your information is easy to read. You can also add a little label or legend off to the side so viewers know exactly what each slice represents. And there you have it. That's all it takes to create crisp, customizable pie charts right in Figma. Play around with slice sizes, colors, and inner spacing to match your project's needs. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get the hang of dragging those blue dots. The more you practice, the more intuitive it becomes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma design tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.